School in San Diego teaching students a whole new way to learn.
So let's check in with Heather Lake. She is live with students at Kearney Mesa this morning. What are we doing? Show me your school.
Hey, good morning. Yeah, I tell you what, I told these kids to show me your school. I don't know about you, but I was not building cars in high school. Instead, I was probably just trying to figure out what I was going to have for lunch, right? Assistant principal of SET, this awesome school for people who want to be entrepreneurs, they want to be engineers, if they want to learn technology. You're going to come to this school. So, Assistant Principal Darrell, you're with me this morning to talk about what these boys are making. Can you get in there really quick and show us what it does, and then I'll talk to them really quick again about what it is. So what is the school all about?
Okay, this school is all about entrepreneurship and basically trying to mirror the things that are going on in this century and beyond, and giving the kids the skill sets in order to be successful in the future.
Well, and a lot of times, a lot of the kids don't do well just learning out of a textbook or, I guess, an iPad nowadays, or on a whiteboard. And instead, this gives them an applied way to maybe create an invention instead of just doing that math project. It's an applied math project, right? So what have they been working on? What's the project?
Well, this project was to create an electric vehicle. The back wheel here has all the motor and everything in it. So what we did was I had the kids design different vehicles and put everything together to try to make sure that everything would fit. They have to think about weight distribution, turning radius, and things like that. So there actually is a lot of engineering and math involved.
And a lot of imagination. You make it sound easy, but when I talk to the students, they're like, no, our teacher said, here's a wheel, figure out how to make a car or a vehicle out of it. Is that right?
Basically.
Yeah. So what did they tell you to do?
Well, we drew up designs. We discussed with all of the class, gave a presentation like we're talking to clients about why our car should be the one that's built. And then we kind of entered a prototyping phase where we started building the car out of wood to make sure that all the measurements we had were right. And then we moved to making it out of metal. And we're still building it, so there's still some wood on the car. We're not quite done yet.
Still working on the brakes. I was trying to test it out, and they're like, well, there's not brakes yet, Heather, so you have to work on that part. Yeah. You guys are kind of like a little Shark Tank school, right? So you've got to learn how to be an entrepreneur. How are you doing that?
So really, this entire project was done without any teacher help, except for a few minor things. So we have to bring out that creativity and entrepreneurial side to us, and we have to work with people who are assigned in our groups, as I'm a project leader, he's a project leader. So we have to get these people interested in what we're doing, and then we have to show them how to build it or what we're going to be doing, and then we build it.
No one helped you with this? You did this all on your own? Like a team of students? How old are you guys?
I'm 17.
17 and?
18.
And?
16.
Really? They're going to be making a lot more money than I am in a few years, I'm for sure. Can I really try it?
Sure.
Are you going to be the brakes for me? You guys want to stand over there and just catch me at the end?
Sure.
No, I was kidding, but they'll do it, so sure.
I'll walk it off.
Okay. Where do you put your feet? I've got
so,
really
yeah.
long legs. Okay, here we go.
Right.
This is the future of tomorrow, everybody. Whoop. Okay, hey, you guys are really supposed to help me. See you later. Coming up in the next hour, we're talking about robots.
Wow.
Okay?
He's a high school. I mean, come on, high school?
Why are you surprised?
I mean, I'm not. It's fascinating to me. All I did when I was like in school at that age was like my wood metal shop teacher had us put 2 nails in a piece of wood and a couple of wires and do that's about the extent of it.
I made sticky buns in home ec. They're making cars.
They're making cars, crying out loud. It's like the new Tesla thing is going to come out of the school. Smart.
Yeah.
Man, Heather, thank you.